I'm so glad we got on here early. So glad. Thank you, Dominique. I was doing all that talking and there was no sound. Sometimes it just doesn't turn on. All right, but from what I'm seeing, the sound should be on now, so it's all good. All right, Will to the feed said good morning. Miss your daily lives on YouTube now. Just catch you on Fridays. Hey, glad we're still catching each other. Happy to have you around. We try to make the most of the time we do get together. Dominique, good morning. D Scurv, good morning. Short term, little impact, but look at the charts in end of January 2025. Wait, at the charts end. Wait, end of 2025. That's like now. What what time frame are you? What time period are you talking about? I don't think you mean 2025. Oh wait, you said end of January. Never mind. Hold up. Let's look. I was reading that wrong. Disregard what I just said. Let's go to a daily. I did see they did raise rates last night. They're at like 75. Oh, what is this? Let me get rid of that. That's why we get on here early on Fridays. Make sure we can kind of figure some stuff out beforehand. All right, so January. All right, we're right here at the end. Yo, look. Boop. All right, so from January to hey, should we take an emergency, like just a random emergency put? Like just to like an emergency put swing? Hey, what's the VIX looking like? Hey, VIX kind of low. It might it might be worth it. It might be worth it. Hey, Kong, top of the morning, top of the morning. But yeah, that hey might be worth it because we got the SPY going up right now. But wait, where? Oh, I gotta zoom way back. But yeah, it might be a shot there. More rate hikes to come to hawkish long term for Japan. Hey, hey, I was honestly thinking about that last night. After you said it yesterday, I was like, yo, I saw they did the little rate hike. I'm like, oh. And I'm like looking at Bitcoin this morning. I'm like, yo, I feel like they are going to like just rip us like out of nowhere. So maybe we find something to take a chance on. Maybe yeah. Let's Let me start thinking about it, looking at it, like just grabbing a random. Let's see. All right, let me check the vote. See what we're voting. I see 30% red, 40% green, 20. Okay, y'all moving it around. All right, I'm bullish most of the time. Not quite like Tom Lee, but this is not a good look, and no one is really talking about it. That's the best thing. Yo, we're in here. Nobody's talking about it. We see it. Um, it's a beautiful position to be in. Let me. How are we doing? Okay, we're like legit flat from where we opened and closed, pretty much. SPY's down like 11 cents, not even percent, or a point, not even point 11. It's just. Let's see. Let's do this. Oh no, that's. You said how do you track momentum? So I don't necessarily track momentum, but if I had to think of, well, one way would be the hike and ashy candles. That's, I would say, is more of a momentum kind of way of looking at things. But that's not anything I fully like kind of teach or like share, just because I'm still like learning. Like I would still say I'm like newer to it. But when I think of momentum, I think of volume and pacing. So if you see like the volume bars getting elevated, and if you see movement, that makes up momentum. So usually whenever you see more volume, oh, these birds are going crazy. Oh yeah, they're like right on my windowsill. Okay, but yeah, typically it's you. I would say look at the volume and look at the price movement. That is momentum in its essence. I'd have to say. Let's see. Also, good morning, Sergio. Bro, they got like a whole game. All right, Tesla trying to kind of chilling right now. All right, so the dollar, that's a fat drop right there. You said birds are a good size. Wait, okay, wait. Going to buy some puts on Oracle. Hopefully, I don't get rinsed. So I believe they had here. Let's look at our Oracle. I know they popped on their earnings. I know there was good stuff to be said. All right, right now looking at Oracle, I'm gonna be real. I wouldn't necessarily go for it. Not me personally. It doesn't look like it didn't like really. I don't know. If you're like extra short term, you can profit on some puts. If you're looking for like a quick chop trade, but to me, there's not really enough there for me to make that move. Um, First off, because I'm predominantly on the 4 hour, and it's I don't know the movement. Let's see. So right here we got like a $14 range from where it really kind of took off. Reached the top of like just below a $13 range. It's already pulled back the majority of it. So I'd say like once it, I don't know, pulls back another like dollar or so, it probably doesn't have too much more steam in it to the downside. It's pretty neutral on the RSI, like chilling right in the middle. And yeah, I would kind of say that kind of gives it grounds to, if it's going to continue up, it's grounded and ready to continue up. The RSI has cooled off enough, and no, yeah, honestly, I probably, if I wanted to do anything, I'd probably watch it on the 15. It's pretty neutral on the 5, so that's personally my take. Let's see. Incense, top of the morning, headed to the gig, yo. Going to get some, going to get this bread. Okay, go get it, Incense. Today will be green, I think, or consolidation. Yeah, I could very much see today being consolidation. I'm looking at the ranges pre-market, and yeah, not much is going on, or the ranges are like tiny. Oracle TikTok deal went through overnight. They own 45%. Ooh, hold up. It just like I read that earlier, but it just like clicked. This is why I feel like we were looking at Oracle like many months ago, and it finally kind of went through. Okay, so they own 45%. Okay, so it went through. Oh yeah, and going back to the wait, where'd it go? Hold up, I gotta make sure I have these comments sorted out right because I think they're jumping out of order. All right, so live chat. All right, you said thank you. Birds are a good sign. Let's see. Yeah, no long term play. Buying a contract a month out and going to trade it before the end of the day. Yeah, we'll see. I would say with a month of time, I wouldn't think it was. I wouldn't think the trade was worth it with the movement, or at least if you're looking for downside. I feel like here. Let's actually one more time because I feel like Oracle has really pulled back. Yeah, Oracle like looking for downside. They are in a downward channel, but they're on the lower end of it. So if they were to come to the middle, 196, and if they were to come to the top today, that'd be about like 215 or so. So personally, like from where it's at, Oracle is a good buy. It actually just filled in a gap as well. So this is a good place to just start buying Oracle as a company, like long term. But yeah, trade wise, in any sense, there's not really anything that is favorable for downside. It'd have to be like a real quick scalp, in my opinion. I believe Oracle's at the bottom. You just have to time your entry. That's what I'm. Yeah. Bottom. Uh, Oh wait, no. Yeah, I was about to say I believe it can come lower, but actually, nah. There is actually. It looks like. Yeah, it looks like yesterday it pulled back to a level like it filled in a gap. There are some other gaps that it can fill in, so it can pull back more, but I feel like it will go up before it comes down. Oh, market's open. Let's lock in here. We're gonna shift over to some things. We're gonna move to the 15 minute. Here, yeah. Right now, focus on the indexes or on the ETS, the SPY, the Qs. I have Oracle up for now. We got Nvidia. A DJT was doing this thing yesterday. I'm still tracking it. I got like some DJT shares. All right, so we're starting the morning out. We're trying to go for pre-market highs, or we're trying to take it. Let's see if we go for it. All right, okay. You said I will wait on Oracle in my opinion, or look at call. That's what I was saying. D curve. Hey, top of the morning. My life be like, let's get this bread. Yes, sir. I'm saying it's top of the morning, Henry. Oh, Palantir, yeah. It's been a minute since we looked at Palantir. We can throw that up, see what that's looking like too. Yeah, we'll probably start that out on a 4 hour. Oh, it's shoot, it might be getting ready to could be getting ready to break out. Let's throw a little let's see if we can take out that level first. And then I'll just throw this up here too, just to remind myself there's some liquidity there. Come back down to a 15. I'm gonna just, yeah. Yeah, we're just gonna throw those there. Did I say top of the morning, Henry? If not, top of the morning. All right, so we're trying to move up. Trying to move up. Here, let me zoom out on the SPY. I might go for like a quickie or so. Okay, hold up. All right, so I got something I'm looking for. Where? Hold up. see something. Okay. All right, I got something I'm looking at. We'll see. We'll see how it turns out, but let's see. All right, I believe Palantir is beating the ceiling. Also, lots of shorts in the next few months. We'll see. There's so many things pushing so many ways. All right, so market first move is up. I do want to remind y'all we do have some little data. We get existing home sales and provides consumer sentiment. 30 minutes in the market open. All right, Nvidia is pushing up. That's a good look. Let's see. I believe Palantir. Okay, cool. Just hit your Palantir. Hit your take profit. Oh, so you had like a quick trade. Like, hey, when you calling out stocks, you gotta share the full play. Let us know your position. Let us know like where you stand, because it's like if you just say Palantir, it's like, what's up? That's like some people are newer here and they just like they say you say Palantir and they may just jump in and they may have no idea what's up. So try to share as much as you can, because there are people who probably don't know as much as you that may be a little too excited, just a little bit. It does happen. Like I'll be talking about stuff and I'm like, oh, I should have. Hey, no worries, man. But yeah, it's like sometimes I gotta realize it. I'm like, yo, I'm talking about something, I'm hyping something up, and I'm like, I'm not even gonna take the trade. I'm just like, oh, that looks interesting right there. So I find myself having to like watch how I'm talking about stuff. But yeah, I was like, when I was looking at it, I was like, oh yeah, that looks like some liquidity right there. So I would say like up here, honestly, that might be a good short. Let me go back up on that. Nah, it's not crazy. It's like you can probably what that's like 190.50. What's this? Hold up, y'all. Okay. All right, so we're pushing up. I want to let y'all know kind of what I'm looking at. Oh, still, hey, yeah. All right, Steelers 43. Looking at spot, that's kind of what I was looking at. I was just saying like I was gonna let y'all know what I was looking at. I'm looking at this 200 moving average up here, and I'm trying to see like I'm looking to probably grab a short there. I've got my short. I've got my put identified. That's kind of what I'm looking at, because it looks like we're kind of going for the races, and that's probably the trade I'm looking for today. You said see if we get a little Santa rally here. Hey, I'm not sure Santa's coming, but we'll see. I will say above like 680, the next level I'm looking at is wait, hold up. We're over here. Next level I was looking at was I guess yesterday's high. So far below 26.65. Oh yeah. All right, let's see if it can get below this. Actually, so far it looks like it maybe is filling in its gap. So let's see what happens there. Looking for puts also off that level. He said under 675. I was targeting 645 just because that's the pre-market support. But honestly, like any kind of ride, I'll just kind of see where it takes me, and like look at the momentum. Speaking of momentum, we got the hiking ashy candles right here. We'll see what's up. We got that. Oh, I feel like so much has happened in this first like 7 minutes, 8 minutes. I forget. I forget. Like I trade during Monday through Thursday. I trade during a slower time of the day, so it's like you almost forget how exciting things can be at open, but also can be a little overwhelming. All right, SoFi almost got that gap filled. Little pullback, little pullback. Still got the SPY in here. Let me see what the SPY looks like on the 15 real quick. Hmm. Actually, I'm gonna look at these on the 15 too. I'm gonna take a look. So we got some liquidity there. I'm gonna see how we kind of do. All right, so it'd be cool if we can get to this top one, but I'm also gonna pair this chart with this chart over here and kind of see. Bro, that's a lot of lines on my chart, but I'm gonna pair them and see kind of like what's going on with the momentum. Yeah, Palantir might be. What was the range? Honestly, that's a good range. Hold on, how much are Palantir options too? Let me see. Should that happen? Should that occur? All right, SPY trying to push up to that next level. Trying. So look back. Look back at Oracle. Yup, Oracle is going up. Yeah, I was not trusting it to the downside. All right, so now, yeah, we'll see if it can take out that pre-market high. Netflix is interesting. Where'd it go? Let's see. My throat's kind of tickly. So Netflix, they pulled back. They're shooting up. Here, let's zoom out. Yeah, Oracle taking off, kind of. Netflix is kind of in a big consolidation right now. It might be kind of like in some kind of like large bear flag if I'm looking at Netflix, honestly. All right, SPY still trying to work his way up. All right, Oracle is also working his way up to take out the pre-market high. All right, the Qs is approaching like a pretty solid level where there's probably some resistance too. I'll say watch out for this 615 area on the Qs. Is that like the equivalent? I don't even know. Let's see. Let me back that up real quick. That's over there. Yeah, the Qs is definitely running a lot more than SPY. Qs is up almost 1%. It's like 3 times as much as SPY. All right, SPY is going for that level. Looks like the Qs are about to go for it too. TGIF. I'm not familiar with that ticker, but thank God it's Friday. Yep. Let's see. That means it's the last day of the week I get with y'all. All right, I'm going Hoodie Matthew. Let's see. All right, so we got the Qs up at that resistance. The SPY is SPY. Right now, it's looking like it's okay. It knocked that level out. So I'm gonna go on, take that out. We'll see if it gets up here. There's actually another level above it too, like not too long ago. Oh, I guess yesterday's high. We'll see. I'm watching the Heiken Ashy candles. We still have 15 minutes till the data too. So from then, I would say if it like still showing strength, if it does get to this high up here at 680 or gets over here, then it might be the script might be to run calls, but if we start seeing these slow down, then it might be go for puts. But yeah, here, let me go on and slide that up on the Qs. See if, because we already cleared that. This is the beauty of a major options expiration. So it looks like we're getting one of those days where we move, because we're moving. We are moving. Oh yeah, SPY's already going for that level at the moment. Like at the pace is moving. Like I was going to take a short when it came to this level, but I'm not going to do that yet because I'm watching the momentum. It's not slowing yet. I need to see this like either flatten out or like chill. If we still have it like, I want to say like structure wise, like close above the 681.55. It's like we might really run, but as of right now, I'm not like too convinced. So yeah, Oracle's moving. Just a reminder, United States stock markets will close early on Wednesday. That's a great reminder. And will be closed on Thursday. Also closed on January 1st. Appreciate you, Monica. Appreciate you. Let's see. All right, so we're pushing up. Yeah, because that's definitely something I would forget. Hold up. I'll have to talk to my wife. I'm not sure I'm gonna stream on Wednesday. That's kind of like our Christmas. Depends on what time we do things. I'll have to update y'all on like Tuesday or something. SPY volume looks good, but I'm still holding out. Might just leave off with Palantir calls. Hey, that's not a bad idea. Let's check back in on Palantir. Oh, hold up, something went off. Oh yeah, Palantir just crossed that level. That's what just went off for me. So let's see. But one thing on days like today, they can really flip a switch on days like today, and it doesn't like necessarily have to make sense. Like things are still technical, but like the speed and pacing Yo, it's usually pretty insane. All right, so yeah, Palantir, yo, they hit that. Is this all time highs? Is this all time highs for Palantir? No, no, okay. I'm exaggerating a little bit. All time highs on Palantir like 222. Okay. It's just the highest I've seen Palantir in a while. E Dog, top of the morning, family. How goes it? Y'all take care. Be safe. Enjoy y'all's. Hey, you too. You too. Enjoy your Friday. Enjoy your profits. Also, Merry Christmas. I will not see you before then. So yeah, all that good stuff. Crazy. It's time to start saying that. Or some of y'all happy holidays, whatever. Yeah, be safe. Be safe. Definitely got to be safe. I got what you were trying to say after I read be safe. Broadcom's moving. Let's see. Uh, Palantir does look like it's kind of slowing down, or like maybe finding some. Here, I'm gonna go for it. I'm gonna go for it on the spot. It looks like, oh, I might be a little premature. Let me see. Let me see. Here, let's see. Where's that contract I was looking at? But I'm looking at, what's the delta? It's the delta. Yeah, I like that. That's cool. All right, so I just grabbed a SPY 675 put expiring December 22nd. So it expires on Monday. Let me share that with the family real quick. Just grabbed a SPY. What was it? 675 put expiring 12/22. Paid. What did I pay for it? $1.27 per share. All right. All right, so that's gonna be my that's gonna be kind of my move. I'm honestly kind of like I'm willing to draw the stop kind of high on this one, because I think we'll get some volatility today, and I think it can come further than that. But if it comes there, I'm kind of chilling today. But if it takes its time today, shoot, I might end up trying to swing it, or I don't know. We'll see. But yeah, I took my little SPY play. We get data in 9 minutes. All right, so looking at Broadcom, we said Broadcom was moving. Oh, hold up. Who was it? Was it Monica? So my life be like, we got a look. We came down, we filled the gap on SoFi, and now it's trying to push resistance, or push above resistance. Today's it's gonna be a very interesting day. Here, I'm gonna slide this over though, because I'm definitely not gonna be in that trade that long. Oh wait, hold up, hold up. Let me see something. Oh no. Okay, I was about to say. I was about to have to check in on my SMCI. So yeah, I missed the entry. Yeah, there was that 200 moving average. So it was only on the 15, but it's like if you're looking for a day trade, you got your gap fill, you got your right here. Oh, it's tough. It's tough at market open, but it's like I would say it would have been kind of worth the chance, the potential for it. But also, yeah, you kind of had on the 15 you had upward market direction. But yeah, I don't blame you. Spy trying to push up a little bit. We'll have to I'll have to see, keep monitoring. I'm in the negative for now. Did we hit that? Did we even hit that level? I don't think we hit it yet. I might have got in just a little bit to it. Or maybe we did. Nah, we came just short of it. But gotta admit it is trying to slow down here. Nvidia and AMD strong on the day so far. Oh, hold up. Okay, here let's. That they were. I did see Nvidia. Yeah, these will take the market up. So Nvidia can. Oh, it has some resistance or higher time frame resistance at like 183. But that'll take the spy. Oh, okay, spy trying to. Oh, okay. That looks like so much more dramatic. How zoomed in I am on the spy. That had me kind of tripping a little bit. Rivian won't stop. Don't stop. Here, let's see. Oh shoot! I know Imson's had calls on these. I'm not sure if he's still in them, but if he is, I doubt he's still in them though. I doubt he is still in them. But wow. All right, so we're getting a little pullback on the spy. Oh no. Oh, there's this is the first showing of a red Heiken Ashi. Will it close red? I'm still down like $7, $9, $11. Okay, I'm gonna stop looking at it right now. Just focus on the charts. You said, of course not. I mean, to be fair, I probably would have not been in it too. And Bills, top of the morning. Welcome back. Pleasure to make your acquaintance this morning. See that name, throw that smile on my face. Yeah, well, we still got 3 minutes to the data. All right, that red candle turned green, but we are still flat right now. SoFi trying to break data is coming here. Yeah, it's trying. It's trying. We'll see though. Oh no, I most definitely did not. What's iRobot looking like right now? Oh yeah, most definitely not. Yeah, especially like I feel like I heard about it over here, So like if it's already this low, I feel like the only options to get in are puts. And at this point, at the max profit's like 250, I was like, nah. Hey, yeah, and love having you. All right, it's being delisted in a couple days. Ain't nothing like a good delisting. All right, we got Spy trying to push on up some more. Doing that little push thing. Amazon buyout failed, so they failed. Bro, they were when that Amazon buyout thing was first announced, I was still working at Walmart. Not Walmart. I was still working at Amazon in the factory. It has been years. Like it's been years. I've lived in Europe for like 8 months. So much has passed since that was first announced. That's kind of crazy. It's crazy. I spent like a solid like it was almost 2 years I worked at the factory for Amazon. Then after I worked at the factory for Amazon, y'all went and did the Amazon delivery, but that was only like 2 months. But that's insane. Now I do the Amazon affiliate kind of stuff. I think I've done everything there is to do at Amazon aside from the corporate. All right, we still got Spy trying to push up. The Q's definitely look like it's going for this high over here. Yeah, I may have made the wrong move. We'll see. Oh, we hold on. Let's check with data. Data should be coming out. All right, existing home sales. This is pretty much in line. Revised consumer sentiments a little down. Okay, it's like we got volume coming down, but it's still like, hmm. All right, I need to look at something outside of iRobot, something more value. All right, so we got Nvidia at like 180. Next area to watch out for on Nvidia on the 4 hours probably gonna be. Didn't some data get delayed or pushed back? Uh, I think some data got pushed back, and then some data got like it's not going to come in at all. I think it was like the maybe jobs data. It's the data for was it October? I think it was October. Whenever the whole month that the whole government was shut down, or the month that like it was October where the entire month the government was shut down, right? I think it's that one. I want to say. All right, hope's not lost yet. We're still kind of chilling right now. You say yeah, I think it was yeah. That sounds about right. YouTube is telling me now would be a good time to insert ads. I'm not going to do that to y'all right now. But if for some reason y'all do get ads, let me know. Because unless you're clicking on or off the video. But if YouTube trying to like make money and I'm not. I'm like, yo, Oracle should be on its way up. It has something. Yeah, yeah. So yeah, Oracle it's moving up. So it looks like it's forming support at this pre-market resistance. It's what, like 192.50 kind of area. Just kind of needed to hold. Needed to, if it wants to consolidate. Oh, that boy on the dirt bike. Okay, that's kind of clean. Riding that thing to school. Oracle has been getting demolished these past few weeks because, hey, for real. Yeah, they're kind of moving to a less favorable situation too with companies, but I don't know if with the whole TikTok thing, they might slide into a more favorable position. We'll see. All right, let's see. Come on. I want to see the spy fall. To those of you unaware, I am in a put. I am down on it. It does not expire today. It expires Monday. I didn't want to get any zero DTDs. I'm down 22% on that put right now, but it's good though because it's like the delta at the moment is like 23. Movement from where it's at that I was looking at, almost like $5 or yeah, it's like $5. So it might be able to pull off 100%er if it's able to get to the target. You said sounds like you need some honey and lemon. Oh yeah, I'm a lot better than I've been this week. Like if you were here Monday through Thursday, yeah, well, it was rougher. Like I had that marathon or I had it on Sunday, and like my immune system was shot after it. But yeah, I've actually had some honey and lemon before this. I'll probably have some more. But yeah, yeah, all good, all good. I've actually sound a lot better than I did earlier. But yeah, just a little congestion, just a little bit. But yeah, it was a lot. It was a lot worse. Let's see. We still chilling though. I'm liking this candle on the. Oh, maybe not. Hold up, hold up. Let me zoom in. So as of right now, we kind of topped out at like, what is it, like 680.49. I'm gonna take this line. I'm gonna move this up over here to, was that yesterday's high? Yeah, yesterday's high. And I'm gonna actually just sit here and hope we don't hit yesterday's high. But I'm liking this candle for now. Hey, also, kind of while we're here and we're just chilling, I gotta ask, like, yo, where are you at, and what is the forecast for Christmas where you are? Cause yo, right now I'm kind of in the Dallas area, and I think Christmas, yo, the high is 74 degrees out here. That's on wait, hold up, Thursday the 25th. Christmas and Christmas Eve. The high is 74 degrees out here. So yeah, let me know. I'm curious what's it like everywhere. Cough syrup with 16-ounce mason jar filled with peeled garlic cloves, sliced poured over raw. As the honey sinks, add more. That sounds gnarly. That sound that sounds gnarly. Peeled garlic. I'm not even sure we have garlic right now. Or red onion. We'll see. Can take a tablespoon as needed. Also make yourself thyme tea. Honey cough certain. Hey, appreciate the remedies. Panama attempts. Let's see. I was hoping I had you beat these curve. Okay, 78. That sounds nice. 78 clear. Kentucky 65 Christmas Eve. 63 Christmas. Hey, that's not bad. That's about what it was here yesterday. Hold on 1 second. Oregano oil will get you straight and cut 3 times a day. Hey, you've been holding out. You've been holding out these girls. You haven't said the 3 times a day before. I just been doing it like once. Okay. Did I say what's up, Mr. Fancy? What's good, Mr. Fancy? Welcome back. It's fermented in the honey for a month's time. What? Usually get local garlic and local honey because it's like good stuff. Wait, hold up. Lock Dr. Fell. Hold on. Wait, is there somebody? Oh, okay, I see. I was about to say. I just didn't read the name when you said that. University of Michigan surveys consumer sentiment final. Oh, we already saw that. Okay. Patrick, hey, welcome. Top of the morning. How's your week been? Also, hey, I'm gonna need a quick weather check. What is the weather where you are on Christmas? Let me know. I gotta know. Oh, Mississippi got us beat 75. Okay. Wait, did I say 74 or 75? Let me see. Oh, it's 74. Okay, y'all got us beat. Okay. Okay. In front of a CPU. How's that SPY trade looking? As of right now, I'm still like I'm still optimistic about it. I should be down. I'm probably down like let's see. I'm down 15%. I was down more, but yeah, I'm looking optimistic on it. It is a 675 put that expires on Monday. I would like to ride it ideally to about 675. But I kind of just take a look at it and go. Whoa. One of my favorite remedies. Wait. Oregano oil is a powerhouse. I make my own. You make your own oil. Oh, you make it with it. Okay, I was about to say. I'm like, yo. That's just my YouTube. I do LOC. LOC. Hold on. Is it locked or LOC? What is that? Yo, go on and let me know. Educate me, family. Oregano for sure. I've gotten rid of skin tags and moles with it. That's yeah. I'm on the oregano oil too. You said, can we look at apple? Yeah, let's go on. Let's look at it. Yo, it's I'm still really interested in this 261 level, but right now it's doing some consolidating. Like it's already tapped the 200. Hold on, let me see. Looking at calls, but want to get another opinion. It looks to be in a yeah, it is in a overall downtrend. Yeah, it's definitely an overall downtrend. You got the 13 cross below the 48. You might like I would not be surprised to if it keeps falling. You might have another push up once it comes to this 267 level, but I wouldn't think it would be as strong the next time it does. What's going on? Hold up. Is that my wife? Oh no. But yeah, looking at Apple, I say overall it's coming down. This 13 EMA is resistance. Let's see, but lower. Wait, okay, but lower highs, higher lows. Here, let me look at it on the 1 hour since you said 1 hour too. Yeah, I would still I still want to see this 261, or even if you to me even if you catch it at you might catch a little bounce at this 266 to 264 range too. But right now I'm like, yo, that's it looks like it's coming down to me. Unless it gets some kind of catalyst. Here, let's see. Where we all right, Patrick in Georgia, it'll be hey, nice. Okay. All right, so we got Georgia be 40s in New York. Okay. That's I was hey, that sounds like New York though, but it's like not too cold. Lock Doctor fell. We'll be 70 here in Northwest Florida. Okay, that's cool. If it doesn't change. Log spread. Okay, all right, I got you. Okay, I know what you mean then. Okay. Hair education, protective styles is the more professional. Okay, cool. Stocks aren't looking good. Hey, the stocks are stocking. That's all that matters. I don't think you can ask anything more of them. They go up, they go down. Honestly, the most annoying thing is when they do nothing to me, but or at least if I'm at the chart. Hood at the point to put here. Let's see. Yeah, it looks like it's trying to make support at the 13. We'll see. I would love to see Robinhood kind of break up, but we'll see. And since I just got into the spy put, got a 670. But did you get today's expiration or did you get Monday's expiration? 670. You would really need the if you got a 670 for today, you would really need the what is it? Options expiration to work for you. If you got it for Monday, you'll probably see some grace with that one. All right, cool. Bitcoin, Ethereum. That's what I was thinking. until I see Bitcoin above 95K, I don't really trust like that the trend will continue to the upside. All right, so we're kind of like flattened out here for now, chilling. You said we're gonna have 54 degrees on Christmas. That'll be like 80 to us. That's 22nd as well. Okay, cool. No more zero DTs this time. Hey, okay. Okay, we're pulling back a little bit. Oh, it's actually in a more profitable position from when I bought it. Didn't even realize that. Here, let's see. I feel like I'm probably still down on it. Let's see. Yo, how am I still down 14% though? Wait, this is okay. So I entered at like 680. Yeah, I feel like I'm being done kind of dirty a little bit. I'm down like 12%, 11%. Come on, bring it down. Bring it on down. Been digging, playing Dutch Bros. You said it's been fun. Let's look at Bros. Yeah, I'll be back and go to the kitchen real quick. All right, we back. See. All right, I did have some oregano oil while I was gone. Let's see. Looks like, hey, try to move a little bit favorably, a little more favorably. We got SoFi trying to go up. Okay, let's see what we missed out on. Hey, I'm glad to see y'all connecting in here. That's what's up. Bitcoin, Ethereum, hood pump, probably short lived. Hold up. Let's see. Sounds like me. Say that she don't play games. You threw Rivian into your IRA. Okay. There's hope for it long term. It's like I want a truck. I also want like it to be an EV, but I want some range. I'm gonna say like I don't like the whole Tesla truck thing, or not for me personally. It's cool. It's not my thing. So hey, Rivian's looking like they're doing the best in that area. Seems like bros surfing on the EMA on dips. Yeah, that's a good one to ride though. For context, I'm risk on with it because I'd be willing to invest in over. Hey, that's cool. That's kind of where I am too. You said where's SoFi going to? Well, I say if it comes to 268, it'll probably have a or 2688. It'll probably have a pullback again, but I'm hoping down or not necessarily. I it, it doesn't necessarily matter for me for SoFi, but yo, SPY. All right, I should be up on that now. Let's see. Can we get some momentum though? Nah, I'm not even up on the SPY yet. Like, what is this? Hold up. This is, bro. That theta's got to be eating, cause wait, yeah, that's over $1 in movement, but I'm down on this contract. I'm down like okay, I'm break even now. Break even. That's still wild though. Nope, I want a truck, but it has to be a gas. Nah. Bro, it's like when I be having to go to the gas station, I'm like, yo, this is work. Like last time I had to go to the gas station was like recent. I got a U-Haul. I'm like, man, I don't know. It's just something about gas stations. Like it's not going inside the gas stations, but like when you're at the pumps filling up, I'm always on edge. I'm like always watching everybody around me. I'm like, yo, it's like I don't know. I feel like I'm just too exposed. You know, you see all the bad stuff that can happen. It's like, yo, you got the people like kind of scamming people. You got the people trying to like rob people. You got people trying to like traffic people. So I'm just like, yo, I'm like, nah, yeah, y'all ain't getting me. I'm like, yo, I'm about to, yo. So I'm just always like on alert. So hey, heads up, if y'all ever see me at a gas station, like at the pump, be careful how you approach. All I'm gonna say. You said be cool to convert an old school car to electric. No, that'd be cool. I mean, I'm not trying to do the conversion myself, but yeah, I mean it'd be cool for sure. 64 Mopar. So let me see what you're talking about. I don't even. Let's look it up real quick. Oh yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's a cool car. What's up? Spot looking good for me. I'm up 20%. what's happening. Yeah, Theta, it does its thing, but if we get the move that I would like to see, bro, no, this spy isn't. Oh no, it's okay. I don't think we're. We'll see. We'll see. Nope, I'm good. I don't want no self driving or nothing yet. I would say don't necessarily need the self driving. I'm gonna say like low key. I have it right now because somebody. I think this time last year, somebody. It was like my neighbor. He was like a brother growing up. He bought his Tesla like a year ago, and he used my referral. And at the time, they were giving you like I think like $1,000 in Tesla credit. So I have been using that this past year to pay for my premium connectivity on my supercharging. And the thing is, it expires this month on the 28th. So I was like, yo, I'm not gonna have all this thousand spent up because I surely wasn't just getting that with the supercharging and the supercharging and the connectivity. So I'm like, and then I also bought like random things in the app. I bought like windshield wipers. I bought like more of the little key card things I don't even use. And I'm like, yo, I'm gonna have to get full self driving like the little $100 a month. So I've been on that like the past like 2 months. I still have a little money left over I need to spend. We'll see. We'll see if it gets spent. I even paid for my premium connectivity for the next year. I'm making sure I spend all that money. But it's like I gotta say it's gotten a lot better from when I first tried it. And bro, on the highways, it's nice on the highways. All right. You said when you buy your son's car, you'll drive it to see what. Oh, that's wild. That's wild. Review for success. It's Jonathan, right? Did you ever get on with the Amazon? Did you pick that up? If you did, let me know how that's going. I feel like we haven't really spoke about that in a while, so it was like that has gone absolutely insane for me. Just want to let you know I was that's some crazy opportunity. All right. By the way, just broke even on your spy. It went down 20% real quick. For real, it's like these contracts. I don't know what's up with them, but honestly, the market maker's trying to play games. You said still in Amazon if you're talking. Oh no, I was talking about Jonathan or talking to Jonathan or I believe his name's Jonathan. Uh, it was I believe I had a call with them at some point about Amazon. You said you did, but you've been kind of lazy. Okay, all right. I'm gonna let you know that is bro. My wife like quit her job with that. It was like it was full on. Yeah, so I'm just gonna say like maybe to start. I think in the beginning it's like review the right stuff and then like you can just get a bunch of like free stuff and it's like just review what comes in. Be honest about it and bro, these companies send us stuff like crazy. It's like I'm in a new house right now. I didn't buy the house just for the record. I'm renting this house, but we are furnishing it with the reviews. All right, let's see. What is this? All right, so we are kind of chilling right now. I'm still holding this. I'm a Let's say we don't move to the rest for the rest of the day. I will likely still hold this. Like I will likely swing this. I will take that chance just because of the thesis or like the just what happened last time with the little Japan rate cut that D Scarf showed me. If we don't sell out before the or sell off before the end of the day. But if we get a quick move, I'll take that too. Maybe we go up for a double top. I'm just here so I don't get fined. No, I'm kidding. Let's see. All right, spot. No. Yeah, we trying to chill right here. Spy up at 680. Bro, we're kinda chilling now. It'd be clean if I could play games with y'all. List. Y'all, I'm hungry. What sounds good right now? What kind of food? What kind of food could y'all go for right now? Don't hold back. You already actually. It's been a minute. Yeah, I could go for some kava right now. I could go for kava. A nice burger with eggs and bacon inside. I love burgers. I love burgers. I'm not a fan of like eggs on them, or at least not when they're like what's it called, sunny side up? maybe. Is that? Let me look it up real quick. Let me. As like I don't think I've ever had scrambled eggs on a burger, but I feel like that'd be good. Let me see. Is it called sunny side up? Yeah, yeah. It's like people be doing those like sunny side ups on the burgers. So I'm personally that's like it distracts too much from the other flavor. I'm like, nah. Bacon, egg, and cheese on a roll. On a roll? What kind of hmm. Shoot, it sounds good either way, like all those. You said I love it with the sun. Nah, I can't. Sometimes and then sometimes they have like the little sunny part where it just like oozes out. I'm like, nah, I guess what's it, the protein and stuff in there, it's too whatever is in there, the yolk, it's too distracting for me. Like I'm not tasting the burger the way it needs to be tasted. All right, let's see. Where say yes. Johnny Rady. You gotta fry the egg on the burger or sunny side well done. Yo, I don't, yeah, I gotta, nah, yeah, shoot, I might need to try it with scrambled eggs. See, we might all be missing out. Just, I like my eggs scrambled. It's like, I ain't never had it with no scrambled egg. You say, yeah, no runny egg. Yeah, I don't like it when it runs. Nah, like cook that thing for me. Maybe a chicken quesadilla. Okay, yeah, yeah, I mess with it. Barely eat eggs anyway. Uh, there was a point in time when I was, every day. If my wife makes eggs, I'll eat them. So, that's dependent on my wife. But I think I might have got my wife sick, so I I will probably be taking care of her these next few days. So we'll see what Chef Matthew whips up. So actually, y'all are giving me some ideas. You said if you scramble the eggs, it's gonna get real messy. Hey, it's cool. It's cool. Gonna need a fork. Hey, it's okay. Like sometimes you got stuff falling off your burger, but as long as there's a good amount of it on there, it's like it's still there. Sometimes you might have some lettuce fall off if you got like some crispy onion strings or whatever on there. Sometimes those might fall off. It's just is what it is. Sometimes they slap the sauce on real heavy on the burgers. Those fall off too, or the sauce like falls off too or drips off. But it's like I can't have it running off. That's all. As long as it's not running. If it's falling, it's one thing. If it's running, nah, I'm not messing with it. If you scramble the eggs, is okay. Wait, I just read that, but it's cool. It's like sometimes when I eat with my wife, there is, I don't know, there are bits sometimes left over, like maybe my mustache or whatever, or like kind of on the sides or whatever of my mouth and lips. And then she's like, yo, you got something there, and I'm just like, yo, I know it was there. I was saving it. It was a leftover. Like, cause sometimes, like when I'm done with my meal, I legit look forward to those little crumbs, cause I'm like, oh wow, that was so good, like so good. I try to be civilized around people, but when it's just me and my wife, or it's like if it's just us, I'm like, yo, I I really do enjoy that leftover I got right there on the side of my mouth. I really am saving that for whenever everything that did not make contact like does. I just saw something that I was about to do. I don't know what it was. On the two though, it almost looks like we got a little double top. I'd love for it to be like that. You said LOL comedy. Hey, this is a comedy honesty. That's just that's just how it is. Oh, that's what I was gonna do. Okay, so I saw silver. I'm like, yo, silver is back at all time highs again, pretty much. I'm like, silver is silvering. Yeah, so that's fear. Oh, we got the PCE up at like 734. Or point, yeah. Here, let's check that out too. Oh yeah, we got the PCE running up. What does it mean? Okay, so usually this means people are buying puts. But usually, like when you catch this high enough, the market will kind of like blast up. But maybe we end up in one of those situations where the PCE ends up at like 1.2 or something. Like maybe things are worse than they seem. I'm going off of like just the Japanese rate hikes and kind of the stuff that D Scurv presented. Because honestly, it's not all lining up to me. Like we are like if the PCE is up here, like we gapped down and now it's going up. Oh no. Do y'all ever like see a dog? Like I don't know the position that a lot of y'all are in, but do y'all ever see a dog and like just think like as you see it like, man, that dog is living a better life than me. Not just cuz it can like nap and gets fed and all that, but it's like you see and you kind of look at the houses and the family situation these dogs are living in, and it's like, yo, this dog has never had to like struggle for any of this, or maybe I don't know the dog story, but it's like, yo, this dog has not really had to struggle for any of this. It just gets brought into this. It's like I've seen like dogs like maybe on like social media where it's like the family will have a house and then they'll have like a dog house, like a 2-story dog house where it's like there are legit stairs in it, like full on stairs, like a human could go, and there's like a hammock and all that stuff. And it's like, yo, they got all this for a dog. And it's like my bedroom is like a box. That also not anymore, but it's like man. Uh, you said I always think that when I see house animals. Some animals do get mistreated, and it's not fair. I mean, okay, we're not pulling. We're kind of pulling back, but we're not at the same time. I just want to let y'all know while I'm rambling, I'm still watching the charts. Hold up. How to call AMD for a day trade? Let's see. AMD. So it's at resistance. So I wouldn't expect it to go too much further. I'd probably be looking to the downside. Oh yeah, it's at the 200 EMA on the 1 hour. I would say if you catch it, like if it pops up to 213.43 or so, that's your entry for a put. In my opinion, it's already overbought. Is hold on. Okay, let's see. Yeah, I'd be so on the 30, it did cross up. So I would be being real. If I were to take a trade, like money would be like if it comes up to 213.50 or so, or like a little below that, or even where it is now, or actually no, I probably want to get in a little higher. But I'd be looking to ride it down to like 206 would probably be my target. 206, 207. That's probably what I'd look at. But assuming that it's yeah, it's like this is it's kind of tough because on the 15 it's kind of like running. But yeah, next area of support is going to be or like structural support would be like 206 or so. But you do have the EMAs at 207. So all right, you said do I have a dog or oh yeah, I definitely like want a dog and like have wanted one, but just not yet. We still want to like travel and do all that stuff. We were going to have one before we had a kid, but I think my wife and I'm like cool with like having a kid first. It's probably better anyway, because I feel like from what I see with people, like people end up having a dog or whatever, and then it's like yo now it's like they don't even necessarily care to have a child or anything. It's like that's yo I want little me's around. It's like who would be my best friend? Who is my best friend? I am. If I can create some little me's, bruh, gang gang. That's all I know. But let's see. But yeah, my wife had a someone tell her that they had a dog and their dog used to be like their child, but then they actually had a baby, and now the dog like barely gets any love. So I think it would be easier for the dog first off if we already have the baby and it already understands the baby is a priority. Big Sean, top of the morning. Hey, always a pleasure seeing your name. Just closed out a 920% return on TWO. Hey, God bless you, Alex Whitemore. Yo, hey, that's all you right there. But yo, I'm happy that we have crossed paths as well. Hey, good stuff, good work. Way to go, family. And yo, if anything I've done has helped you, that's cool. But that's on you for actually like learning it. There's so many people that come into contact with my stuff and don't really take the time to learn it and like process it. So discourage people over pet. No, for sure. It's something that people are getting a little misconstrued. It's like, yo, animals' lives matter and whatnot, but not more than humans. It's like, yo, people are saying like if there was a train coming, it's like, oh, will you save the puppy or save the humans? And it's like, bro, it's like, yeah, you want the puppy to live, but it's like save the humans. Like even like the Bible even shows like, yo, it's we value human life. We are the ones made in the image of God. It's like I don't know, like people are it's wild. Hey, very, very welcome, Alex. Very welcome. Yo, hey, ride that feeling today. 920%. That is a banger right there. Totally misconstrued. They treat pets better than people. Really weird. You know, nah, for real. Um, no, yeah, it's for real. Like, oh, I feel like there was a point in time I don't think I would have treated a pet like equal to a human, but like you treat a pet like almost on a level like it's your child, and it's like I don't have a problem with the pet being your homie, your buddy, or anything, but yo, having it like be like a legit child where you're like legit babying it, I think that kind of draws some issues personally. But it's like I have done that before, and I'm like. But nah, I don't think there's anything wrong with having it as like a homie. Like it's like yo, where I go, he goes. It's like that's chill, that's chill. But understand, pet is a pet and a human is a human. Just saw a story this morning where an attorney is filing to have pets claimed on taxes as dependents. Uh, I mean, they kind of are dependents, but or in a sense, they're dependents. But bro, people, I don't know. I see we're about to start getting like a lot of tax breaks. That's one thing I saw. Like what is it? I think I legit just saw something yesterday. I think it had something to do with cars. Oh, it's like if you're making payments on your car, like say, so me, I didn't buy my car outright. I took out a loan to buy my car. So I am paying like I make payments on my car. So the interest that I make on the payments is now a write off, even if it's a personal vehicle. I'm like, oh, cool. I keep seeing all these little things that are write offs now. I'm like, oh yes, that's cool. It's a hot little dividend paying 15% right now if you're interested in. Is that what TWO is? Oh, I thought that was Twilio. Oh, Two Harbors Investment Corp. Okay. No, it's not. It's not my kind of move, but that's still a great little move right there for sure. Let's see. Oh, I received my gold bills. Oh, you got them, instance. Yo, came like 4 to 5 days later. That's kind of quick. I feel like I had to wait, but whoa, where are my gold bills? Oh, I think they're over here. Air. Yo, let me. Hey, I'm gonna go on and try to bring them up real quick. Let me. Say, wouldn't be mad if my dog can be claimed as a dependent. I have to shelter if he. Nah, yeah, it's like I wouldn't either. It's like yo, whatever kind of tax break we can get, they technically are dependents in a sense. We're kind of just like, all right. So I was hoping for a double top, but now it's like we have like two tops, and now it's just kind of like eking out. Like it's kind of just trading sideways now. If they do this for the rest of the day, that's kind of diabolical. Hold up. I'm gonna get my gold bills because we're just chilling. Let me make sure I still have them. Don't worry, I'm still like right here. They're just like, let me see if I can find them. I haven't fully. Ooh, it's messy in here. Very messy in here. Ooh, oh, I think I know where they are. I don't think they're in there. Yeah, that's gonna be for another day. All right, let's see. What about the spider? I don't kill because it's hunting the other bugs for me. Can I? You said, can I write that off? Well, the spider. I don't think the spider is dependent on you. I mean, it might be dependent on you not murdering it, but it's like, yo, a spider, yo, it's like wherever it wants to be home, that's its home. So, um, but I know you just trying to make a joke right now. But I'm trying to, I'm like actually here trying to think about it. I think the heat is over for the day pre-market. Uh, we'll see. We'll see. I think probably right around the time that this stream ends in about 30 minutes or so. I think that's typically when the market gets its second win. That's typically when I start Monday through Thursday. For Friday, let's get a big drop on DJ. Nah. I got my shares. I'm up like let me see. I hadn't even looked at them today. What is it? Yeah, it's like I bought these shares like oh yeah, I'm up like 41% on my DJT. Pull up that chart real quick. There's DJT. Bro, what order is this in? Oh shoot. I didn't even know it was up here now. Yo, why is it not showing up? Hold up, maybe I gotta pull it up over here. I think that's the position I had it in. All right, so there it is. All right, so let me come in and adjust. I feel like okay, so next area where it appears that there is some liquidity is going to be about this 1795 area. But yeah, when I saw that news yesterday, I was like, oh yeah, it's gonna pop. I was saying like I was like to those of y'all that were on stream yesterday, I think when it was around I think it was probably around like 1450. I was like, yo, y'all watch out for DJT with that news, they're gonna pop. Hey, there it is. Fair enough. Fair enough. But I'm not gonna say I would necessarily like run for it now. But I want to show y'all how long I've been in it. All right, so I got in on. I just have shares, just for the record. But I got in on November 13th. I think they fell past. I think it might be some like weekly. Yeah, there's some like weekly liquidity here. So I was like, yo, next time they come down here, whatever. Because I think I rode from. Yeah, I think I rode from like I think I actually bought down here last time and rode it to about 30 or so. This time I would like to ride up to about this $26 area is what I would like. I feel like it can kind of do its thing since that was a weekly. Here, actually, let me see. Yeah, I feel like that's in line, like 26. Let me actually put that there. But it's something that I think can take time. So it's like I'm not necessarily in a rush, but the faster the better. All right, let's see. Yeah, it's doing its thing though. All right, let's see where we get. You said your shelter and your patience, silver. That's more like the spiders paying taxes or whatever. They need to pay taxes. Them eating the bugs is for your they're paying taxes for your shelter and patience. So it's jumping. My DJT position been underwater forever. I think I'm still -30. I might I don't know. I do not know. I just try to buy low. Hold up. Uh, you said, bro, you got hood at 24. Oh, nice. Bro, the last time when it was at like 30 or like a little before, I was like, oh yeah, I'm ready. I wanted to like buy like 100 shares. I think back in like April or something. And then next thing I know, it never came back. Like it was there for like half a second. It was crazy. Tony Math, have a blessed weekend. Yo, calling it a day. Will not get back to. Hey, yes sir. Good stuff. That's what we want to see. That's what we want to see, Tony. You have a blessed day, blessed weekend. Merry Christmas. Because I will not see y'all before then. So, yo, yeah. Have a blessed day. Merry Christmas. He said, "Wow, I thought my hood price was good at 44.20. Hey, to each his own. Hey, I'm sad I let go of Palantir at 8, or I let go of it at 22. But Merry Merry Christmas to all in the chart, yes sir. Hey, peace out, Lock Doctor. Peace out. Oh no. I know the goat. I know the goat. But hey, what's up, Lucky J? Hey, Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas. We probably could talk all day about things we never. Hey, if we're being real, yes, I'm sure we could. What's something you pulled the trigger on that you wish you didn't? That's a better question. I probably got some for y'all. Probably got a lot of those. Oh, we good. I don't know, Bill. I'll be right back. Dang, SPY is in this range, y'all. Let's see. I can talk all day on what I pulled the trigger on, then sold to it. Yeah, for real. Sold it already, but bad buy. I know the feeling. Know the feeling for sure. All right, so we're trying to like push above this 680 now. Capital gone, thinking of selling a little east so I can get another contract on spot. So me personally, I if either is a long term play, I would not take money from a long term play to put it into a short term play. We don't necessarily know that SPY is gonna come for it. But I do. All right, this is completely separate, but do want to call out that SoFi is within a couple cents of high of day, that pre-market or that market open high it made. So just wanna call that out. Bro, why do I feel cold air? Is it blowing cold air? Bro, it was hot earlier. Okay. SoFi and Hood break in. Yo, I gotta get my little. Where's my tape measure? Oh, there it is. First regret that comes to mind is XPOF during and just after COVID. I don't even I don't even know what that is. Let's see. Okay. Oh yeah, they're SoFi. Cover that with Planet Fitness. Oh, okay. Let's see. All right, so I'm gonna watch SoFi here. Kind of depending on what it does here, we'll say some things. Oh, okay, it's the walking hour right now. It's the walking hour. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm a little too hydrated. I'm gonna take a quick bathroom break. We're going for a triple top? Wait, what was that? Lunchtime for Wall Street. Yeah, it's about to be lunchtime for me. About to, about to go out and get something. Patrick, what's up? Hey, life's good. How about you? Did I say Patrick? Philip. I don't know why I said Patrick. Did I say Patrick? I don't know. Philip, what's up? Oh, there you go, Patrick. Oh, it's like the market went ham at open. Not wise to go off on the first trade, and then it's like might just do the consolidation. You said I was. You were like, I'm good. Good grades. What's going on here? Where'd that tape measure go? It's in my pocket. Yeah, I don't want to miss, or don't want to leave that out. I'm gonna need my drill too. Handyman Matthew on the job. Okay, let's see. Happy to have been assigned. So you sold 2 wolf calls at 15. Let's see. Wolf. I'm curious where it's at right now. Oh yeah, that's money right there. That's yeah, that is money. Yes, sir. Nice. Ended up buying more BMNR and VTS and starting a nice. Nice. Yeah, that's nice right there. Is there a specific day of the week, whether the market open and close at that no, not necessarily. I will say I don't love it on Monday, but nah, not necessarily. When I used to travel, I used to like to look like an hour before market close. I would usually find like good things to swing, but I'm not usually looking at the market at that time right now. So I really, there's not like a specific time. You said hopefully this is the floor though. Couldn't quite get in at the floor. Uh, I'm gonna say I don't think it is, if I'm being real. But I will say I do think it is good prices for those things, but we might have more pain ahead, is what I think. So I guess we'll see. I think we're finally past the OMG Japan. We'll see. I would say so. Philip, today is a major options expiration, so it is very well possible that we could drop on Monday. That's why part of why I'm like okay with holding this put that I'm in. Uh, so I'm kind of playing on the possibility that we might have a fat drop and have a tantrum. That's what I'm playing on, but we'll see. Because I feel like they're always trying to trick us somehow, some way, somehow. Power Powerball is 1.5 billion. I believe that is what you call life changing. Okay, SoFi is at 27. Yo, it's moving. Yo, it's trying to keep moving. True. Now we've got possible government shut. We do again. Say it ain't so. Market trying to figure out what the new Fed chair will do as far as rate cuts this year. That's okay. I didn't know there was another. That's kind of wild. Yeah, I guess I'm not as informed as I'd like to be. You say yes, possibly we will know soon. That is wild. All right, we recently got our record breaking one. You said tech is popping. What tech? I'm looking at the QQQ right now. It's up a little bit, but I don't know what specifically is popping. Let me check in on AMD for Kong. I know Kong was asking about that earlier. I don't think it's really done too much since. But yeah, I'm glad I have y'all. Silver breaking 67. Oh, I was looking at SLV. Okay. Yeah, silver is like pretty much all time highs though. It's insanity. All right. Oh wait, hold on. One more check on the PCE. Yeah, this about to do it for the day, family. Okay, they're trying to hold it down for now. I feel like this stream was quick. But yeah, with that being said, family, uh, I would like to take this time to first and foremost say thank you so much for stopping by. Appreciate each and every one of y'all that came through. Smash the like button. It's crazy. I can't even see the likes anymore. The way it kind of like shows up. They changed the little stream deck showing, so I don't even know how many likes I have. Which is a little weird. Are y'all even able to like the stream anymore? But yeah, I honestly don't know. Um, yeah, thanks for stopping by. Um, to those of you that I will not be seeing, what was I gonna say? To those of you I will not be seeing, Merry Christmas. If you don't celebrate Christmas, Happy Holidays. Uh, and then yeah, with that being said, hey, D Scurv, I appreciate being like number one. I don't even know. Like I legit. But yeah. Yeah, with that being said, Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, Kong. Peace out, Ann. Peace out, D Scurv. Peace out, Philip. Peace out, Alex. Peace out, Lucky J. Uh, peace out, M Sense. Oh, peace out, Lock Doctor. But yeah, with that being said, family, that's going to do it for today. Matthew Manuel signing off. And I want to change your life. Peace out, family. What is that?